Will the AI bubble really burst? Alright, real talk. Everyone's asking if AI is the new .com bubble. Let me lay out the hype versus reality timeline. Fast, clear, no fluff. 2012, deep learning breakthrough, image benchmarks fall. 2017, transformers arrive, foundation models begin. 2022, ChatGPT goes mainstream. Every boardroom adds AI to the agenda. 2023, 2024, capital flood. Data centers expand like crazy. Narrative dominated by Nvidia. Narrative dominated by Microsoft. Now, 2026, pressure time. Investors want ROI, not just demos. Nvidia rides the GPU supercycle. Insane revenue and fat margins. A lineup every model depends on. Microsoft bets big on co-pilots across Office, Azure, GitHub. The market priced in perfection, but perfection's expensive. Signals of a slowdown, CapEx exploding, tens of billions into chips, power, and cooling. Utilization gaps, lots of servers idle between training runs. Cloud discounts creep in. And margins? They compress when costs outpace usage. Hype versus reality check. Generative AI can write. Generative AI can summarize. Generative AI can code. Generative AI can create. But is it profitable at scale? Many pilots, few clear payoffs. Support bots save time but risk hallucinations. Coding co-pilots boost dev velocity. Companies still debate net value after subscription and inference costs. Search with AI answers. Great UX. Search with AI answers. Tricky business model. So, is this 1999 all over again? History rhymes, not repeats. .com, cheap money, wild promises, no infra. Tiny TAMs, AI today, real utility. AI today, heavy infra. AI today, huge enterprise interest. AI today, concentrated winners. AI today, fragile unit economics. If a burst comes, it likely looks like this. Multiple compression on the hottest names. A shakeout of startups without revenue or a moat. Consolidation around efficient platforms. Demand shifts from bigger models to cheaper, specialized, reliable models. What's next in the timeline? 2026, ROI audits. CFOs cut experiments that don't pay. 2027, efficiency race, custom silicon, on-device inference, smarter caching, smaller fine-tunes. 2028, stable winners proving hard dollar savings or unlocking new revenue. If you're an investor, how do you play defense? Focus on cash flow, not vibes. Prefer picks and shovels with durable demand. Compute, networking, power, cooling, and optimization software. Back vendors with clear unit economics and diversify across models, middleware, and apps. Be patient. Hype cycles overshoot, then level up. If you're a builder, here's the gut check. Nail reliability and latency. Prove ROI with before and after. Keep humans in the loop. Design for power and cost. Efficiency is the new feature. So, will the AI bubble burst? Parts of it, yeah. The froth burns off. But the core tech sticks. More useful than profitable. Expect a reset, not extinction. Winners ship value. Subscribe to track the data. No hype.